Today we're going to go over Ascom reporting, also known as Unite Analyze. This is intended for nurse leaders at your hospital to view your nurse call analytics. You'll get to this application using a URL and you'll log in with a username and a password. Once you're logged in, you're taken to the home screen and then you can see the reports that are important to your facility. Overall response time by call type. I'm going to select my filter. We can go up to the last 12 months. We can do the previous month for this example. The more data you put in there, the longer it's going to take Analyze to run. Once you select your date range filter, it automatically fills in the date range. You can filter it down even more by these call types. For this example, we're going to leave it on all. You can filter it down for your organization, which is going to be departments. This example, we'll leave it on all. And location is also going to be room numbers. Again, for this example, we're going to leave it on all. Once I click Generate Report, there's an in-browser PDF. I'm going to click Full Screen, and then I can see the number of alerts for that call type. I'm able to see the average response time, the max response time, and my target time. A target time is the goal I want the staff to respond and cancel the call. And then I can see a percentage of how much I am in that target time. Another report I want to go over is the response time unit dashboard, response time organization dashboard. I'm going to leave it on the previous filter, click Generate Report, make it full screen. Here I'm able to see that I have 3 pages of reports and I'm able to toggle through using the arrows on my keyboard to see the other pages. I'm able to see by color coordination what percentage of calls is coming from what call type. In my bar graph, I'm able to see this first column is the average response time. The second column is the max response time. And then these gauges down at the bottom tell me what percentage the staff respond within my target time. Finally, we're going to go over our response time target exception list. I'm going to leave it on the previous month. I can filter it again by call type, organization, or location. I can even save my filter up here. I can click Save, title this, and then that filter will be there next time I want to use it. Click Generate Report. This is going to show me all of the events that are outside of my target time. And it will show me the time the call was initiated, when the call was cleared, what department it happened in, what room number it happened in, and who was my primary recipient and the secondary recipient. Thank you.